tell me something about yourself?
So my name is Avinash Kumar. I was born in Bellary district of Karnataka state. My father was in Army, Indian Army. I did my schooling from Army Public School. I did my civil engineering from MS Ramaya Institute of Technology, Bangalore. After that, I started preparing for government services. My hobbies are watching F1, playing chess, cricket, and football.
Okay. Is there tattoo on your arms
Yes, sir.
region?
Sir, major reason is my community, sir, the community which I come from.
Okay. So it
I belong from a Lambada tribe.
okay. So it essential religious practices?
Sir, it is not really essential, but it is voluntary.
Okay.
So it
Okay.
is kind of a distinction also, which makes in a cultural way.
So in which case Supreme Court gave its verdict on essential religious practices?
So I'm not sure, sir. Not.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. I recall, sir.
Yeah.
Sabrimala case recently.
And before Sabrimala,
Not sure, sir. Not aware about it.
okay, go back 2.5 decade back, then Ismail Faruqi.
Ismail Faruqi.
Yeah, okay, no issue. So, what is mean temperature of Bangalore in December?
So right now it's 21 degrees, sir.
Mean
21 degrees
temperature
Celsius.
in December.
Mean temperature is around 21 degrees Celsius, sir.
Okay, okay. So, a famous member of parliament who represented sometime Bellary Lok Sabha constituency, she died recently. Who was
So sorry, sir. I'm not aware about the name.
uh, whether she was a winning candidate or not, but I think she was a winning candidate, Sushma Swaraj. Okay,
Sushma Swaraj was from Ballari. Thank you, sir, for the information.
actually, she was not from Bellary, but she
She
contested
fought
the election.
from Ballari. Yeah, contested from Ballari. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So you are coming to Delhi for your interview. So where you will stay?
Sir, I'm planning to stay at Karol Bagh. I have booked a hotel. So most probably in
Okay.
Karol Bagh.
So any a special reason for Karol Bagh?
Sir, I had stayed there for 2 years in Old Rajendra Nagar and I know the vicinity around it. So that makes me comfortable to travel to the UPSC Bhavan from there.
Okay, okay, that's good. So what is interview actually?
Sir, it's a personality test to assess the candidates who is coming for the interview to know whether he is fit for the prescribed job which has been provided by the government, whether he fits it or not.
So do you think in place of interview, CAPF also should have provision of SSB?
Sir, the SSB is mainly for the army, for the defense forces, and there is a psychological test also going on for like 3 4 days
So
because the
so
mandates are different.
so assistant commandants are not required psychological test.
It is required, sir, because it is the challenges are increasing, ever increasing now. The theaters have increased, the working places where it was tremendously increased now. But the kind of threat what a army person goes through, what threat he has, is more compared to a CAPF personnel. So
Okay,
this is why SSB is more required compared to an interview.
So while traveling from Bengaluru to Delhi, how many states you are going to cross through?
Sir, I have to calculate now. But sir, first I will cross Maharashtra, then Madhya Pradesh. Then on top of that, UP comes. Or on the left side, if I go Rajasthan through Rajasthan, also there's a way. Then from MP, then UP comes. Then straight away Haryana, then Delhi. So it's five, I think, sir.
So you are a civil engineer. So have you read strength of material?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the requirement of SFD and BMD while calculating the load in a cantilever?
Sorry, sir. I'm not aware about it, sir. I can't recall now.
Doesn't matter. So you are from the tribal region, okay? Basically, to your roots, not specifically you are. So, what kind of customary things are followed in the tribes that makes them different from the urbanized population? If you have been ever there, if you have watched it.
Yes, sir. The first thing, sir, the major difference from the urban, what it makes a difference is the attire. In our community, we wear dresses, especially for the women. It's a lipu embroidery, where a woman has to wear glasses and beads and the money of coin. It's a coin which are attached to the blouse. So those kind of attire is very visible. And apart from that, there are festivals called Tej, which is held before the Deepavali. So it is for bride and groom to meet at a place. So it started in that way. So these are the differences I can say.
Okay, so in generalized term, if we collectively take the whole, all the tribes which are residing in India,
Yes, sir.
so are they ideal worshippers or they are nature forces of
Sir, majority of them, I believe, that they're nature worshippers, sir,
nature?
and which have alienated from the roots. They are now the idol worshippers.
What about the food habits? Does it,
Food have.
yeah, does it reflects the local climatic condition and the sources?
Yes, sir. We belong from a semi-arid region, sir. So where we have a lot of millets growing on. So it's famous for bajra, and we eat jowal roti. So it's called jawar. So jawar is a staple food for us, sir. So all the how the wheat is eaten in the North India. So jawar is a staple roti what we eat, and pulses are in common, sir. So along with that, the best food with jawar roti is pulses, the green peas,
So
green
you
gram.
worked
Sorry, sir.
as an academy manager.
Yes, sir.
So tell me that any kind of managerial skill, the best three managerial skills are required in any manager, whether he is
Sir,
working in any field.
so first thing he has to assess what kind of work he is into. Totally, he has to assess the kind of work he has to do first. So in and out from it, if I take a small example, if I'm in the tennis academy only, so my work was simple that I have to assess that everything is clean, the pitch is clean, it is made every day, and the players are coming on time. So all those things I have to make sure, and the major thing was discipline, sir, the timings. So since the players have more discipline, I have to be like as competitive as them, so that they find a good pitch to play.
I ask for three traits.
Three traits. Second is, sir, to understand, sir.
Yeah,
There
no,
can be many problems.
generalized kind of managerial skills,
Okay.
any kind of managerial job. Like you was academy manager, it doesn't matter. If you would have been a bank manager or if you would have been a team leader in any technical firm, then what kind of three common managerial skills required in any person to hold that post and to perform at its best?
So the first thing was to understand kind of work. Second thing I would say, sir, the type of input I have to give for the work. So if it requires me to work in the day or it requires me in the night or overwork, so that kind of manager skill I have to think about it. The third I can say, sir, I have to think about how I have to grow. I have to grow the place where I'm working right now. So as a teamwork, I have to consider that first.
And what about the management of the whole team, like patients and others?
So under my control, if it is the team is also there, then I have to look for the
Definitely,
improvement
you
of the
are
team
going to
also.
be a manager, then definitely there would be the subordinates under you.
No, sir.
You
The
cannot
right now,
work
what kind
alone.
of yes, sir. The right now, what kind of work I had no people under me. It was basically a physical work which I had to do. I had to collect the fees and make sure that all the money is going for the infrastructural development and all. So, but yeah, if situation arises where I have people under me, then I will look forward for the efficiency of the team, so that the work is done efficiently.
Okay, you have played the under 16 cricket also. So suppose
Yes, sir.
that there are two attempts of run out and both
Sorry,
all
sir.
the stumps are down on both the sides. Are you getting
Okay.
my point?
No, sir. Can you repeat, sir?
Suppose that there is an attempt of run out on both the sides.
Yes,
All the
sir.
stumps are down. Then
Yes,
how
sir.
the fielders would attempt the run out?
Sir, I think, sir, what you're trying to ask me is, if the wickets are down, like it's
All the
broken.
wickets are down.
Sir, the rule says that if the bails are out or the wickets are down, you have to pull the wickets from the
No, no.
surface.
Already
And
they are lying on the ground. All the three to six stumps.
so then also, sir, we have to pull it up. The stick, we have to pull it up and again place it, and that is out.
Okay. And okay, leave it.
Okay. So what is a scramjet engine?
So it's supersonic jet, sir, which uses oxygen, majorly oxygen for the power.
But the supersonic jets can work on ram jet also, breather jets
Yes, sir.
also. What about the
Yes,
ram
sir.
jet?
Sir, I'm sure. Sorry, sir. Like the
Okay.
difference, I'm not able to.
What is escape velocity?
Escape velocity. Sir, can I guess, sir?
Yes.
Sir, it's for the I think it's for the satellite, sir, through which it escapes the environment or the Earth atmosphere or the rotation related to it.
Okay. So can you tell me about contribution of Bhimrao Ambedkar in Indian economy?
Sir, he had written thesis, sir. I am aware about the rupee depreciation and related to it. So economy is a major part now, sir. So understanding those theses can help us to, because right now it's a condition of downfall. So all those theses can help us to understand how we can go for a trajectory, upward trajectory.
Okay. So if you are given chance to select one person between Gandhi and Ambedkar, whom you will select?
Sir, Gandhi, sir.
Region?
So Gandhi was he was the most versatile leader I have seen, sir. What I have known. Gandhi, the one reason I can say was, I can take the example of reservation only. When Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was fighting for the reservation of the depressed classes specifically, and they wanted that since depressed classes are been outcasted for a long time, Gandhi was against this separate electorate. The reason was given was very like what I found. The reason was very good, which was given by Gandhiji. Gandhiji said, if we give you the separate electorate, it will not only outcast you from the own religion. You belong from Hindu religion, so it will increase more burden, more atrocity over the depressed classes. So he wanted the whole depressed classes to be among Hindu.
Ambedkar, in last moment of his life, he accepted Buddhism,
Yes,
proved
sir.
from one point that actually he was not a follower of Buddhism.
Sir,
In
proof one point.
any incident of his life or through his behavior, he showed that he was not deserving basic tenets of Buddhism.
Sir, Buddhism, first of all, non-violence, sir. So he was, what the motto of B.R. Ambedkar was, educate and agitate. So it again goes against the Buddhism philosophy, sir. Non-violence is the major philosophy of Buddhism. So you can't agitate. So this is where I can find it was against Buddhism.
Okay, under which article there is provision of reservation of scheduled caste in Lok Sabha?
So can I guess, sir?
Yeah,
So it's 342, I think.
okay. How many articles are in Indian Constitution? Approximate.
Sir, around 395.
You are of 80, 90 years of age. Your age is, I think, less than 25 years.
Yeah, so I'm 27.
Okay. And you are talking like you were sitting along with Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, no issue. So, your achievement in life till date?
Sir, what I have achieved is till now that this is the biggest achievement I will get, sir. Right now, if I sit in front of a UPSC panel. Till date, what I have seen is that I've studied. I've never failed till now. But yeah, in this career, going for the UPSC, I have failed multiple times, which has taught me a good lesson to show how perseverance is to be.
Major loss of your life, or you missed any biggest opportunity which you regret?
Yes, sir. After engineering, I didn't sit for a campus selection.
Okay. So, most famous civil engineer of India?
So, Mokshakundam Vishweshwarya.
Okay.
Sir, Mokshakundam Vishweshwarya.
Okay.
So your post office is written here Sri Kantapura.
Shrikantapura. Yes, sir.
Sri Kantapura. Okay, so there is one famous novel which was written by one of the most illuminated person of India. Do you remember that? Do you know about that?
Sir, related to Shrikantapura.
Yeah.
Shrikant. Sorry, sir.
Kantapura by Ramarao. Have you read that?
No, sir.
Okay, good. No.
Okay. So, your biggest drawback?
So my biggest drawback is that at times I become very talkative. And so I start thinking too much and start talking a lot. So that's a drawback I have.
Okay. Okay. So, you will join as assistant commandant. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, you are going for an operation,
Yes, sir.
and some people are going, and you called them, and they are not listening to you. They did not turn, and they are on move. What will be your course of action?
Sir, there are multiple things which I can think about that situation now. The first thing I will straight away won't put them under my consciousness that yeah they are Naxalism or Naxalites or something. First, I'll think that might be they have not listened to me. So I will try to ask them again. And there can be second issue that they don't know the language which I am speaking. So I'll go upfront and I'll approach them. If there is any threat, I'll be ready with it. If they are from the Naxalites only, then I should be ready to neutralize them.
Okay. Uh, do you regret sometime that POK is not under control of us and Pakistan is controlling that part?
Yes, sir.
So you have any plan to recover that?
Sir, I think, sir, India should give a opportunity to Pakistan to accept India's sovereignty, sir. I think India and Pakistan, if become one, will become the most powerful country in the world. If this thing is understood by the Pakistan, it is well and better. Otherwise, we know the ways how we can achieve it.
So how India, Pakistan, if they will become one country, they will become superpower?
Sir, right now being enemy and that too the neighborhood enemy, it has given both of us the opportunity to grow. And we have grown economically also, militarily also, and in international fora also we have grown a lot. But Pakistanis are very cunning. They're clever. They've grown militarily, and they know how covertly they've been operating, and they have a good influence in the European country also, like through Afghanistan. The Taliban is there with them. So if both the countries become one, so that it can be turned into a superpower country.
Okay. What is virtuous cycle in economy?
So it's a cycle of investment and the boom period. So if we invest more, it will have a more multiplier effect.
Okay. What is cost of money?
Sorry, sir.
What was your optional in civil services? You are prepared for civil services. So which optional you are selected?
Sir, I have taken geography.
Okay, that's good. So you might have read also the GS part of the history and all those kind of things.
Yes, sir.
So what was the approach of Gandhiji for the freedom movement?
Sir,
No, no,
ahimsa, non-violence. Sir, non-violence, sir. Major was non-violence and truth.
no, it was just a part of that. Like how he used to confront with the or take his movement forward, carry forward.
Sir, the major weapon he had was fasting, sir.
Have you heard
So
about
whenever,
the Bruce struggle method?
sorry, sir.
This method of Gandhiji, struggle through struggle.
Yes, sir. I've heard about it, sir.
Okay. That was the approach with which Subhash Chandra Bose and other people don't used to agree with.
Okay.
Okay.
Struggle to struggle.
So in geography, in geomorphology, what is the equilibrium state of erosion?
Explaining equilibrium state of erosion.
Have you heard about
Sir,
G.K.
right now,
Gilbert?
sir. Sorry, sir.
G.K. Gilbert?
So I've heard about Davis, sir.
But Davis paints are common.
Yeah.
They are appearing everywhere. But if you are having the
Yes, sir.
option, then you should know about G.K. Gilbert, L.C. King, and all those.
Yes, sir. L.C. King. Yes, sir. So yes, sir.
So how does the L.C. King combine the theories of G.K. Gilbert and Davis to give a more practical approach towards the development of landform? Leave it. Let's continue.
Okay. So, major issue in Chhattisgarh at this time.
So Naxalism, sir.
Okay. So, Naxalism arose from West Bengal, actually a place known as Naxalbari. How it shifted from West Bengal to Chhattisgarh?
So the what I can say about it is, sir, the region where it started was also belonging to a forest area. So it took alignment towards the forest area only. And in the middle areas, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and the Orissa, Chhattisgarh, we have a huge forest areas. And the tribal areas are also over there. So it might have moved in this direction, sir.
So have you heard about Red Corridor?
Yes, sir.
Nowadays, the present government has started an approach to reduce the number of Red Corridor districts. So, what was the motive of the central government to reduce the number of Red Corridor districts, which is being confronted by the state governments?
So might be because of giving an opportunity for the Naxalism to drop the weapons, or
Read
the,
the newspaper again.
Okay, you play cricket.
yes, sir.
What is the mass of which weight of, you can say, weight of cricket ball which is used in international game?
So it's around 163 grams, one from 157 grams to 163 grams.
Okay. And length of beach
So beach,
in
pitch,
in
yes,
meter.
sir. Sir, it's 18 meter, 22 yards, 18 meter. Yes, sir.
Okay. So at this time, Indian economy is going through a very difficult time. 2 days back, in fact, yesterday itself, GDP, collection of GST was seen 1.05 lakh crore for October. Does this show the Indian economy is recovering?
Yes, sir. Definitely, it shows that it's recovering.
Okay, so in your opinion, till which time our economy will come in positive? Actually, at this time, it is growing at the rate of negative growth rate.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is your projection? It will come in positive.
Sir, what I think, sir, it can be around in 2021 end. There we can see around a jump of 4% to 5%. Till then, even the finance minister Sitaraman has mentioned it that we'll go for a neutral to not negative, but somewhere there will be for the this quarter of the economy. So it will take next year, sir. The last quarter of the next year, I believe that we'll go for a plus.
What is effective revenue deficit?
So it's like revenue deficit minus the grant given to the states, or for it's a minus grant, sir.
Okay. So this time means after a long time we have seen the Finance Commission is not giving full report for 5 years. It gave just for interim report of for 1 year. You should continue for financial year 2021. Uh, After that, Finance Commission will give for 5 years. So you want any major change in the methodology after seeing COVID-19 pandemic?
Sir, first thing we have to acknowledge that this time the finance commission has mentioned that it will give 41% to the states. So after the inclusion of the Jammu and Kashmir as a UT, so it has downgraded to 1% now, and they are including for the uh, these things, security purposes like the defense. So we'll be giving extra budget to the defense. But right now the requirement is for the health sector. What I can say, sir, health sector is very bad. Situations are very worse. The primary health services are worst. Secondary health services are not working properly. So we need to focus on those things. So that would help us. So I think for the 5 years we have to focus on the health sector first.
Okay. You heard about Yuvika program?
Sorry, sir.
Yuvika program.
Yuvika. So can I guess, sir?
Yes.
So it's related to ISRO.
Yeah. Okay.
So yeah, so it's for the training of young students in the satellite making.
Okay. So any future projects? Can you take two names which ISRO is going to launch in 2020 or 2021?
Sir, I know about 2022 Gaganyaan,
Okay.
and before
So
that,
for Gaganyaan, how many astronauts have been selected?
sir, they have selected three, sir.
3 or 4?
Three, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir. They have been trained in Russia. They have been trained by the Russian counterpart.
Okay. Who is chairman of ISRO?
Sir, K. Shivan, Mr. K. Shivan.
Okay. Okay. India's longest missile.
Sir, ICBM missiles.
I see.
So Agni 6, sir. Agni 5, sir. Agni.
So India is going to be a superpower in near future. Do you take this point?
No, sir.
So your projection?
So to be a superpower, we need to work on three steps. There are three approaches for that. First, we have to be militarily very strong. We need to have a blue water navy, what we don't have right now. We have a regional brown, what we call brown navy. So we have influence in the Indian Ocean region only. Second is the economy. We have to be the first. We have to be first in the economy. And third, we should have a geopolitical dominance, which we don't have right now. So this will take years, sir. Not in the coming future, but
Okay. So between Joe Biden and Donald Trump, your take on
so I will support Joe Biden, sir.
the reason?
He is a socialist. I have a good inclination towards socialism. And sir, the policies which not only socialism, but the policies which I have seen Mr. Donald Trump has been doing it. I didn't like it, sir. Personally, my opinion was like he's a good businessman, but not a good leader. Like this recently there was a argument going on between both the leaders, and he said that we don't need masks to wear for the COVID virus.
Okay. Okay.
So where here our Prime Minister has been saying that you should wear mask, social distancing, and all is the norm. So this is how we've been controlling him. But there his laxity shows that he's not a good leader.
Okay. Do you see Israel will accept sometime Palestine as independent nation?
No, sir.
So you support at least for Philippines or not?
Sir, if I go for the natural cause, it was the land of Palestine,
Okay.
so which was invaded by the Israelis.
Okay.
So
Okay. Your father was in army, armed forces.
yes, sir.
Armed forces.
Yes, sir.
So what skill you learned from him?
So the first skill I learned was discipline, sir, and second was courage. So he has taught me if you are standing alone, also don't be scared of death. Death is inevitable. It will come to you one or the other day.
Okay. There was a book written, Courage and Conviction. One of the chief of army staff wrote that book. Can you tell me the name of that chief of
No,
army
sir.
staff?
Sorry, sir. No, sir.
He is minister at this time in central government.
He's a minister right now.
Yes.
Sorry, sir.
Have you heard
I'll
the
recall.
name of General VK Singh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. He wrote that book. No issue. Okay.
Courage and conviction.
Okay.